आप क्या केस स्टडी डन ना, करंट अफेयर टाइप क्वेश्चन। क्या पूछा गया? Which of the following statement about zero FIR? Okay, zero FIR was in news. Something was in news, you see. 1st April 2024. Zero FIR news. But this was not in news. Recent news. 20 May 2020. EFIR. This was in news. E0 FIR. This was in news. ठीक है? तो इससे इन्होंने ये पूछ दिया है zero FIR. देखते हैं. This is 2024 current affair. Whenever you have to finish current affair, मतलब cover current affair. So for 2027, you should cover current affair from 2026 April till 2027 May. This is how you should do 13 months of current affair. ठीक है? Again, current affair video I will attach. Watch it. क्या है? Zero FIR के बारे में. Okay. A zero FIR is the keyword, can be lodged at a police station even though the place of commission of a cognizable and a non-cognizable offense is outside the territorial jurisdiction. देखो जी, zero FIR क्या होता है? Place A, crime committed. You are going to place B, मतलब a police station which has a jurisdiction in place B, and you can file an FIR. This is correct about zero FIR. But can zero FIR be filed against both cognizable and non-cognizable offense? Again, this is a very difficult statement because earlier what UPSC used to do, they used to write cognizable and non-cognizable. So and is written there. So one has to be careful that this and this together, is it together true or wrong? Because usually before and after and they would do this right, this wrong, but here they have used slash, so this is difficult to decipher. So zero FIR, this is the keyword related to this. Outside territory keyword, this keyword is correct, this keyword I have a doubt, so question mark. Again, go and watch polity marathon video, you will understand how to see these questions, because you have to see the traps. Where are the traps, especially in polity questions? क्या है? The officer in charge of the police station where zero FIR has been presented may with permission, conditions, so many conditions, with competent authority indicate a preliminary. ठीक है, initiate preliminary, ये चलेगा, ये question mark पे. Next, third question, third statement. Under zero FIR, it is obligatory, compulsory word, be very careful, for the informant to furnish information electronically. This is in E0 FIR. Electronically. This was in use. So third gone. Between A and B, one has to select. This seems like more appropriate. So answer would be D. Here, cognizable, non-cognizable is the point. Okay. So zero FIR can be filed for only cognizable offense. That is serious offense. Okay. Again, in fundamental rights chapter, I have taught this. Difference between cognizable, non-cognizable, compoundable, non-compoundable. So go and see those things. Okay. So answer is का B होना चाहिए. Again, current affair, Vision IS. Go and watch current affair video, you will know how to do this. आप क्या है जी,